Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and enable new command prompt features in Windows 10. So these features include the ability to copy and paste using keyboard shortcuts, enter in text among multiple lines, as well as transparency options. So I'm going to show you guys how to enable that if it's not already turned on. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and open up the start menu, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. You want to go right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, you want to go ahead and select yes. Now right click on the top bar of the command prompt and then select the properties option. So if the option says use legacy console is checkmarked in there, you want to go uncheck that option. So if you actually, before you did that, you went over to the other tabs like the colors tab, you notice the opacity gradient is not allowed to be changed here. So you can see it's all grayed out. So that's just one example of some of the features that are disabled. And if you kind of go through here, you can see other stuff as well. But we're going to go ahead and select OK. So you can see these options were disabled, but we're going to turn off legacy console. It will require a relaunch and select OK. Close out of here. And then if we open back up the command prompt, select yes, and then we went back under properties, you'll notice that we have options underneath the edit options and text selection that we did not have access to before. In the colors tab, we now have the option to go ahead and adjust the opacity, and we also have the terminal tab here too that you can go ahead and make even more changes. So definitely a neat little feature there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.